How to backup and restore Viber messages. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Viber app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. At bottom, you will see different options, chats, calls, explore and more. Tap on more icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, you will see different options. Select Settings option. Now under Setting, tap on Account option at top of the screen and choose Viber Backup. First of all, you need to make sure to connect to Google Drive. If your Viber is not connected to Google Drive, you can tap Not connected to Google Drive and select an existing Google account or add a new one. And tap OK, then you need to allow to grant permissions. Tap Backup to save your messages. For automatic backup, you can tap Auto Backup and select a frequency, example daily. In order to restore on the same device, you have to follow the same step, that is go to More, Settings, Account and Viber Backup section. And here at the bottom left corner, select Restore, and then you can easily restore to retrieve your messages. In order to restore on a new device, you can install Viber on your new device, log in using your phone number, and when prompted, you can tap Restore Now to retrieve your chat history from Google Drive. And that's it. You can easily back up and restore Viber messages following this method. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.